Good morning, YouTube. Coming back to you with the next day's project. I plan to continue this floor install today. As you can see here, we're moving up to where I'm going to integrate the floor grate, and you kind of can see how that's going to fit together. One thing I would like to highlight here, so the way this floor lays out comes across, and this vent's almost perfectly lined up, but not quite. And if you can tell here, this is a little bit closer, so it's not quite centered on the vent opening, which is okay because this bottom piece here doesn't have enough vent louver space. It actually stops. So by putting the vent on the way it is, we're still going to get the full flow of air out the vent, and it's not going to be that big a deal. So that's the way that's going to look. You really want to get the lines on the stair perfect, and that's why I started this second floor in this location. I started it based off this first step up onto this landing, and then ran boards this way and then that direction all the way down into this master bedroom, and then flipped the orientation of which I'm running wood to go that direction with a spline, then glued that piece down. So using PL Premium again to glue that down, and then continue building out towards the bathroom and then into this other little area we'll build out into today, hopefully. And then going into this other bedroom, build across with another straight line. And if I could get a camera view here, this piece came across, and I'm using just scrap pieces of baseboard that I pulled up as my nailer initially. So once this portion's down that you see to the right here, this is in, I'm going to pull up these blocks today and then actually start setting floor that direction to go across. And then with all, should be able to line up pretty easily to that vent and get that vent installed. So it's a snow day out there today. We're actually got a couple inches of snow, which is rare for this area, but when it does happen, you got to take advantage of doing some inside projects.